Hello everyone, I am Yuvraj Nandan, campus ambassador at Shivi Forensics. Today I will be explaining MCQs related to forensic chemistry and toxicology. So let's start. Here are some basic definitions. Forensic chemistry. It is the application of chemical principles and analytical techniques to investigate crime and legal matters. It involves the identification, comparison, and analysis of physical evidences such as drugs, poison, explosive, fiber, paints, and biological samples. Toxicology. Science which deals with poison with reference to their sources, production, mode of action, symptoms which they produce lethal dose, nature of fatal result, treatment, method of their detection, and autopsy findings. Forensic toxicology. It is a specialized branch of forensic science that analyzes biological samples like blood, urine, or hair to detect and measure the presence of drugs, alcohol, and other poisons. Its primary goal is to determine the role of substance play in legal and medical investigation, such as determining the cause of death. Question number 1. Who is the father of modern toxicology? Option A. Alphonse Beltran. B. Edmund Rothard. C. Matthew Orfila. D. Calvin Goddard. So the correct answer is option C. Matthew Orfila. Matthew Orfila is known as the father of modern toxicology. He developed chemical analysis method to detect poison in human organs, making toxicology a reliable science. Question number 2. Which of the following is a narcotics drug? Option A. Caffeine. B. Heroin. C. LSD. D. Cannabis. So the correct answer is option B. Heroin. Heroin is a highly reactive, illegal opioid synthesized from morphine. It depresses the central nervous system, slowing brain function and breathing. Question number 3. Poisoning due to absorption of poison into the system of body. Option A. Local action. Option B. Remote action. Option C. Combined action. Option D. None. So the correct answer is option B. Remote action. Remote action affects the persons due to absorption of that poison into the system of that person. For example, alcohol is absorbed in the system and then it affects the person. Question number 4. The Mars test is used to detect big poison. Option A. Cyanide. B. Mercury. C. Lead. Or D. Arsenic. So the correct answer is D. Arsenic. The Mars test is a highly sensitive method in the detection of arsenic, especially useful in the field of forensic toxicology. When arsenic was used as a poison, it was developed by the chemist James Mars and first published in 1836. Question number 5. The antidote commonly used in methanol poisoning is option A. Atropine, option B. Ethanol, option C. Naloxone, option D. Sodium bicarbonate. So the correct answer is option B. Ethanol. Ethanol is a standard and effective antidote for methanol poisoning. It works by competing with methanol for the same liver enzyme, alcohol dehydrogenase. By saturating the enzyme, ethanol prevents the body from converting methanol into highly toxic byproducts like formaldehyde and formic acid. Question number 6. Which poison gives a characteristic bitter almond smell? Option A. Lead. B. Arsenic. C. Opium. D. Cyanide. So the correct answer is option D. Cyanide. Cyanide, particularly in the form of hydrogen cyanide gas, gives off a characteristic bitter almond smell. Question number 7. Which heavy metal poison is associated with Burton's line on drums? Option A. Lead. B. Mercury. C. Zinc. Or option D. Arsenic. So the correct answer is option A. Lead. Burton's line, also known as the Burtonian or lead line, is a classic clinical sign of chronic lead poisoning. It appears as a thin bluish purple or black blue line along the margin of drums, directly at the base of the teeth. Question number 8. Which toxic agent causes serious discoloration of skin? Option A lead, B mercury, C carbon monoxide, or option D arsenic. So the correct answer is option C carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is the primary toxic agent that causes a classic cherry red discoloration of the skin. This happens because carbon monoxide binds strongly to hemoglobin in the blood to form carboxyhemoglobin, which has a bright red color and prevents oxygen from reaching the tissue. Question number 9. LSD is classified as option A stimulant, B sedative, C narcotics, or option D hallucinogens. So the correct answer is option D hallucinogens. LSD, lysergic acid diethylamide, is one of the most well known and potent hallucinogens. These substances alter perception, mood, and cognitive process, frequently causing users to experience vivid sensory restoration, emotion, and hallucination. Question number 10. Minamata disease is caused by option A lead, option B mercury, option C arsenic, or option D all of the above. So the correct answer is B mercury. Minamata disease is a severe neurological syndrome caused by severe methyl mercury poisoning. It is first discovered in Minamata City, Japan in 1956. After a local chemical plant dumped mercury-laden wastewater into the bay, which accumulated in fish and shellfish consumed by the local population. So this is the end of MCQ. Thank you very much.